Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I'm going to be going back to doing what I do best, and I'm going to be cooking up a dark orchestral drill beat. But before we get into it, I just found out that about 50% of the people that watch my videos are not even subscribed to the channel. So yo, I could literally be on about 140k subs right now. I could have the shiny YouTube plaque somewhere. So yo, if you like my content and you think I bring enough value to you, then definitely think about subscribing, because I drop new videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 PM. And plus I do big giveaways at milestones, so I think when I hit 75k, I'll be doing the next one. So if you want to get involved, again, think about subscribing. But let's get into the video. Alright, so like I said, I want to make something dark, something orchestral. So I definitely need some strings in there, some kind of vocals like a choir and a piano, just the usual stuff that I use. And I'm going to use this string bank from Sound Iron. It's called Hyperion Strings. It's a 6-string bank. Everyone always asks me where I get my strings from. This is one of the banks that I use. It's an ensemble, but you can use the individual instruments too. And let's not use a scale today. Let's just see what sounds good. Yeah, maybe start with that. So quite like that progression. Let's just double check the bass notes. Alright, now I'm gonna open a piano, and I just want to add some piano effects for this one. Just like this. I think that just fits nice. Alright, let's get some vocals in as well. Sounds crazy. Alright, so I was thinking maybe I could layer the strings with a piano, but I think a harp might sound sick. I haven't used a harp in a while. And again, I've been loving the Sound Iron plugins recently, so I'm going to use the harp that they've got. But because the harp is a stringed instrument, I'm going to strum them. Maybe up an octave, and I could probably get rid of the bass notes. Let's just try one at a time. Yeah, I like the sound of that. But maybe here. Just because I removed the bass notes and I already strummed them, I just need to bring these back a bit. Get them on time. I don't mind if some notes are a little bit off though. Alright, and the last instrument that I want to add is a piano. And I'm just going to add the bass notes. Maybe double them up. So I just added this little bit of percussion just to give it some impact, but I'll probably only have that like every 8 bars or something. Maybe Alright, for this counter snare, I don't want to go too wild with the counter snare. I'm going to keep this one kind of simple. Literally just as simple as that. And I'm going to change that rim to a snare now. You know what, I don't think that counter snare fits this kind of vibe, so I'm going to change it. Then I just want to add this one other Perkins, maybe like here, slide it on the snare. Alright, I've definitely got enough for the beat now, so as always, I'm going to mix it, arrange it, and then show you the outcome. Alright, so I finished mixing and arranging the beat, and I only made a couple changes. I reversed the melody, and then chopped it up for the intro and the bridge, and then just a few other tweaks and cuts in the beat, which I'm going to talk you through. So yeah, this is the chop for the intro, and I've got filter free con.
Cactus.
And everything else plays. But I've saved the harp for the second part. And then I've got a second 8-way pattern. And then for the verse, all the other instruments drop out. And then I've got this chop here. And then here I've just introduced the harp again. As always, it kind of slowly builds up and then ducks out for the bridge. We've got the reverse. And then back to the hook. I think the loop just sounds crazy. Like the whole thing sounds like it's been sampled. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the beat. And for anyone that wants to listen to the full version of the beats that I make, I upload them all to my other channel, which is just Cactus Beats. But I'll put a link to that in the description anyway. I mainly upload my orchestral and melodic drill beats there, and then anything else, I usually upload them to my website, which is jcactus.com. But yo, thank you all for watching once again, and I'll see you next time.
You